Here is a wonderful 2018 Honda HR-V. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Presenting the Honda HR-V, the small SUV that thinks big and bold when it comes to safety, convenience, handling, cargo, fuel efficiency, and infotainment technology. We think you'll agree it's an engineering marvel. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Kick your worries to the curb. This Honda HR-V is all about making your life easy and comfortable. Take it out for a drive today.